Ever wanted to turn your school projects into something captivating and interactive, like a professional digital magazine? First, for any great digital magazine, you need a solid foundation: your content and design plan. Brainstorm your articles, interviews, visuals, and interactive elements. Consider your topic, whether it's history, science, or literature, and how best to present it visually. Next, outline your magazine's structure. Think about sections like a cover, table of contents, features, and even a Meet the Team page. Sketch out rough layouts for each page. This helps visualize the flow and ensures a cohesive design before diving into software. Now for the fun part: choosing your tools. Free and user-friendly options like Canva or Google Slides can surprisingly create impressive layouts for more advanced features. Consider Adobe InDesign or Microsoft Publisher. These programs offer templates and powerful design tools to bring your vision to life. Start populating your magazine. Copy and paste your written content. Then import relevant images, charts, and diagrams. Pay attention to typography. Choose fonts that are readable and reflect your topic. Experiment with color palettes to evoke the right mood and keep your readers engaged. To make your digital magazine truly shine, incorporate interactive elements. Many platforms allow you to embed videos, create clickable links to external resources, or even design simple quizzes. These features transform your project from static information into an immersive experience. Before finalizing, proofread meticulously for any typos or grammatical errors. Then, preview your magazine on different devices: a laptop, tablet, and phone to ensure it looks good and functions well across various screen sizes. Make sure all your interactive elements are working correctly. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Most digital magazine platforms allow you to export your project as a shareable link or a PDF. Share it with your teacher, classmates, and even family and friends to showcase your incredible work. With these steps, you're ready to create stunning, informative, and interactive digital magazines for all your school projects. Good luck!